is Shubham, and today I will be unboxing a bunch of Rubik's Cube I got for my birthday.
Are you excited about this?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this looks like a lot. What is
My
this?
friend gave me them.
Alright, so this is the Coolzone Speed Cube set. Oh, this looks exciting.
Ooh, nice. Okay, let's go. How do you unbox this? Nice. Oh, look. This is a lot of speed cubes.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna be unboxing the 2x2 first.
Oh, so it's got like
Okay.
how many cubes does it have in there?
It has
Whoa.
8.
8?
8 including this one.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. I should have said it earlier, then I could jinx.
Oh, the box has 6.
What?
The box has 6 cubes.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, let's take them.
Wait, but it is mirror blocks.
How about you sort of lay them all out first and then start unboxing them?
Okay, I'll lay them out. Oh! Mega Mings! I always wanted a Mega Ming, but like I never got. Ooh, this one's open. Oh, nice. Oh, Axis Speed Cube. Okay, nice. Yep, what I wanted. It's a cube.
Oh yeah, you wanted a cube. That's
Yeah, I
right.
did
You were
want a
telling me
cube.
about it.
Ooh, mirror blocks. I like mirror blocks. It's a shape-shifting cube.
Okay.
And mirror blocks are the same color. So it's not like a 3x3. You have to recognize like another Axis cube, except it has a little more lines. Ooh, beer mix. Nice. And
Oh my god, that's a lot of cubes.
what is this? 3.
It looks like a 4x4.
4x. Yeah, this is a 4x4.
Oh my god.
It's a really, really small 4x4.
Are you gonna try and solve a 4x4 now?
Okay. Yeah, I've never. Ooh. Look how small this is. So small. Okay, so I'm gonna
Wait, this is a lot. Are you gonna unbox them all now?
all of them. So I'm going to get out of here. Bye. See you later. So I'm gonna start unboxing this one. Ooh, the box looks pretty nice. Like, yeah, it looks pretty nice. Oh, bro, this is cool.
Nice.
I need those
Do
instructions.
you want to do a quick solve and show me how
Oh, it's okay, I guess, but I guess out of the box, it's like I feel like it could use some lube.
Alright.
It definitely doesn't have magnets.
But this is pretty good,
It
man.
doesn't have that good corner cutting either. But that's a good I guess
It's a good cube.
Yeah, wait. Solve. I'm gonna solve, okay? I'm just gonna do a single solve. 3. Okay, so it's pretty nice.
Nice, that was a good solve. Alright,
Pretty nice.
you can open one more. And then I think the rest we can keep away.
Nope, I am opening them all. Okay, it's pretty nice. This one's a pretty nice one. No, I'm not opening. I will be opening this little mini boy.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually a keychain.
Oh, it's a keychain.
It
Alright.
actually might not be a keychain. Let's see what it is. Oh, look. It actually is. It is a keychain. Oh, but it just looks so cool.
Oh, that is nice. Oh wow, it's a keychain and you can solve it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You should just attach it to your bag or something so you can
Yeah,
solve
my
it on your board.
backpack.
Yeah.
But it's so small. It's so hard to turn.
Let's see. Oh, you solved it. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I did. I'm trying to do an X perm.
That's pretty good. Nice.
So hard. Finally.
Oh, nice. All right. Let's see what else
I will
is in there.
solve this later. That monstrosity.
What's next?
I'm gonna just. Okay, I'm gonna unbox the mirror blocks.
Whoa! What is this?
It's a mirror blocks.
What is that?
It's a shape-shifting 3x3.
A shape-shifting 3x3. That sounds.
I think there are only 2 shape-shifting ones, and this is one. Look. So when I turn it, look. When I turn it, it turns off. So look, I'm gonna do this. Look, it goes here.
Oh wow.
And then here.
Dude. So wait, you know how to solve this?
Yeah, I do. It's just like a 3x3. You just have to recognize the pieces.
How do you know how to solve it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Now, what's this? 4x4, nice. It's a really small cube for a 4x4. Oh my god. Look how small.
Do you know how to solve a 4x4?
No. I do know how, like, I know the basics. I just don't know the parities.
Alright.
I'm gonna try to solve it, okay?
You're gonna try and solve a 4x4 now?
I'm just gonna hope I do enough parities, okay? Parities.
Alright.
Oh, it's a pretty good 4x4 actually. Like, for 4x4, it's like really good. Maybe just a little more improvement on the corner cutting. But turns.
You wanna go get some
Pretty
lube?
good.
Do you think we need to buy some lube so that you can like put them in the
Okay.
and make them turn faster?
3, 2,
Are you gonna solve it? Okay.
1. Oh, centers are already solved. So now I just need to solve the edges. I'm gonna start doing the cross. I've never solved a 4x4, so it's gonna take me a really long time.
So maybe we should save that for later?
No, by like long time, maybe like a minute or so. Now I just turned like this thing right. Okay, this is like really weird. Okay. I'm so confused. I'm just gonna use beginner's method. What did I just do? Ooh, look, F2, F3L. I'm gonna do F3L. Okay, one pair insert. I have one pair wait. Can't find I'm looking for the white piece for this one. Oh, there it is.
I'm gonna be right back. Okay, Shubham, I'm gonna pause for a second.
Okay. I finally
2 minutes
got,
later.
like, almost my F3L. Okay.
Oh, wow, it looks close.
Wait, I'm just gonna.
Oh! No.
Boom. 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 Oh. Okay, I think I got it. I think I solved the 4x4. Boom, boom. Just.
You solved a 4x4?
Okay.
Fist bump.
What's up?
I solved a 4x4.
Oh, it was already solved and you just said it.
I scrambled it. Like, I actually scrambled it. And then I've already done the mirror blocks. It literally shape shifts.
Oh, wow.
Alright, are you opening any more or should we just
Yep, I'm opening more right now.
or do you just want to review this and give it like a good review?
No, I am.
Alright. Clearly you're pretty happy with
My
these.
mini keychain is still not like. Oh, I'm gonna try this Axis one. It's not a common one, so. I can't wait to try out the Mega Mings though. Like, I'm really excited for the Mega Mings.
Okay. Whoa, what is this?
It looks like a square one for some reason. It definitely does look like square one. Even though it's not. Wait. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
This is like.
Oh, I see. So you saw. Oh man.
Okay, this
Do
is
you know how to
just...
solve these?
Oh, wait. Pattern. Okay, I'm gonna make a pattern. Wait, I'm gonna put into checkerboard pattern. It's in checkerboard pattern.
Nice.
It looks really cool. Look at the layers. Look at the layers. And then look at the top. Okay, now how to uncheckerboard? Okay, it's pretty good.
Oh wow, you solved it.
No, I did
Or
not
you
solve it.
uncheckerboarded it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, this is
How many more cubes do we have?
Um, 3 more.
All right.
Besides this one. Okay, so this is just another axis cube.
Oh, but it's on a different axis.
Except it's a harder one.
How do you know it's harder?
Because it has more like turning ability. Ooh, this one's like a scoob. Look, it's like a scoob. It turns like a scoob. Look, scoob. It turns like a scoob. So this is the way to scramble it, I think. Except I don't know how you scramble it. Like, it's not possible to turn it when it's like shape shifted. I'm looking. Oh, actually, I think I figured something out. Now how do we? I'll solve this later.
Okay. What else have we got?
I really want to get into this cube.
What is this one?
This is a cube. I really like this cube because
Why do you really like cube? Have you saw?
because they turn like this. Wait. Yeah, they turn like this.
Oh, nice. Have you ever solved a cube before?
No.
But it's kind of like a pyramid, I guess.
No, it's definitely not like a Pyramix. Okay, time to get into
This is a pyramid.
pyramids. Okay. Oh, this is actually a really good pyramid. I could make this my main.
Oh, this is gonna be your main pyramid?
Yeah, it's gonna be my main. It has like really good magnets. My other one didn't.
Nice.
I'm just gonna see how the can't see the. Oh, okay. So it turns like really. Like the turns are like kind of like breeze against it,
Mm-hmm.
but like the magnet just clicks them in.
Mm-hmm.
Which so I'm just gonna like solve this. 3, 2, 1, and go. I feel like this is gonna be a really slow solve.
Nice.
Okay.
All right. What's the last
We're
one?
down to the last one, the Mega Mings.
What are the Mega Mings?
It's like
Oh my god.
they use this. It's basically like a 3x3. You work up layer to layer. So okay, I'm gonna just scramble it, but I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to solve it again. Okay, scrambled Mega Mings. So long, non-scrambled state. I'm gonna just try to solve this. I don't. Look at this edge piece. Look at this edge piece. Look how thin
Wow.
it is. an IG piece. Okay. Oh, this actually is kind of like a theme, I think. I just don't get how you F2L it though.
It probably has some different algorithms.
How I don't get like the algorithm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I solved one side.
Uh-huh.
And it's gonna take me like a year to solve the rest.
All right. Can we take a pause? What do you think of all of them overall, Shubham?
They're all good, but like, I think they could, but they're good, but like,
You wanna lay them on and then you wanna give me a review?
yeah, I'm gonna lay them out. But I just gotta solve this. It's like impossible to.
Oh, you solved this. You solved this one. All right, put them on the
So,
front.
I haven't solved them all, but these are the cubes.
That is amazing. I will.
And I really feel like scrambling this, but I just.
All right, what's your review,
I want
though?
to get it like mixed up like this.
Do you wanna give a review to this thing? Are you pretty happy?
It's like this is like a really good cube set.
All right.
And
How many stars?
My favorite cube would be the 4x4.
The favorite cube is your 4x4. All right. Cool. What do you do to your channel?
Like and subscribe.